Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by drying the bread now. Use stale slices or cut fresh into pieces and toast them. Heat on a low flame or place in a 150 degrees oven until they lose moisture and turn light brown. This ensures crisp crumbs instead of soggy paste. Make sure to let the pieces cool fully on a rack so steam escapes. Once cooled, you can proceed to pulse them. Drying first is the key to a clean, fluffy crumb texture and even toasting. Now grind the dried pieces to your preferred size, coarse for coatings, fine for binding. Put small handfuls in a blender or food processor and pulse in 1-second bursts to avoid turning crumbs into flour. You can also use a mortar and roll with a pestle for more control. After a few pulses, spread the output on a tray and sift. Return any large bits for another quick grind. Make sure to check texture frequently, so you stop at the exact finish by seasoning and storing correctly. While crumbs are still slightly warm, toss in salt, pepper, or dried herbs to allow flavors to bind. This step makes your crumbs ready to use immediately. Cool them completely before packing into an airtight jar or portioning into freezer bags for longer life. If you notice clumping later, spread the crumbs and retoast briefly at low heat to remove trapped moisture. If crumbs taste bitter or musty, discard and start with fresh bread. Moisture caused most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.